Well, students, actually, I had given you activity on series compensators. I hope you have gone through the paper, and now we'll discuss about the answers and whether you could get it answers or no. So, paper was given to you, and you have gone through the papers. Two questions were asked, very simple objective type or short answer type questions were asked. And now, after going through the papers, let us see the answers. So question was like when and where first transmission line series compensator was installed. So who was the rapid responder? So Sagar is a rapid responder. So congratulations Sagar. You gave me answer of this question number one first on my WhatsApp, because then I change, you should not post on chat box, other students will see that. So that was about Sagar census I got, but Sagar could give only first question answers. Sagar, what about second question? Which criterions are used by author to group papers while reviewing research of different publications? Yes, whether you got it or no? You got it or no? Or you having difficulty like Sharmishta? Sharmishta said rightly. Sharmishta said rightly that she could not find out answer of second question because it is confusing. And with such a exhaustive data, how we can just you can find out simple short answers. If I would have asked a very big question, immediately you could have scanned. So this is called as scanning ability. Suppose a lot of data is given to you and some short desired content you have to scan from that. Now you recall the condition when you are giving exam papers, and now suppose you recall the condition, you are standing outside the exam hall and book is in your hand, and how you just prepared at that time. Means if you will go through the books and very fast you go rapid, just pages by pages or just rapid scanning you do, and lot of information you are retaining in your memory, isn't it? Have you experienced this? Speed of grasping becomes high, speed of retention becomes high, or no? Suppose 3 hours before exam, so how you studied before one day, before 1 month, and how you study before 2 hours, 3 hours of the exam? Your brain signals are different at that time. You give signals to the brain that I have only 2 hours, I have only one day, and just you just start preparing fast. Means your brain has that much capability, but you never utilize. Now suppose I just gave this paper, you are not giving right signal to the brain, only 5 minutes I have not specified the time purposefully. But if you will give signal to the brain only 5 minutes I have, and within 5 minutes I have to scan this paper 5 6 pages and I have to look for these answers, it would have been possible. So start or learn giving right signals to your brain. So when paper was given, it is not necessary just to go through all the content. Now see, this is introductory, just when and where first transmission series compensator was installed. You just think if you are writing paper on series compensator, then it will be an introduction, initially 1 2 pages, and this is just about the review or classification done. So definitely it will be having some in middle portion. So like that you can plan it. So what Sagar, your answer first question, what was the answer? So Sagar said that the first transmission series capacitor was installed in 1928. See, means after so many years of this invention, after installation, you are learning now the series compensators, but it was installed in transmission line in year 1928 by the General Electric. This is the company name, General Electric, which is very huge company. It was installed on a 33 kilovolt line of 125 MVAR capacity, power transferring capability, and it was installed in Newark. So Newark Power and Light Systems in Balston Spa, Newark. Okay, so that was about the first series capacitor or compensators was installed in Newark in year 1928. Now, what was the criteria used for the classification of papers by author? So criteria used for just analyzing papers or just sorting, we can say, classification of the papers. So control strategies. What control strategies are used? Based on that, author just classified how many papers are there. Then based on the design and modeling issues, design and modeling issues of the compensators, series shunt compensators, some papers just were sorted depending upon design and modeling. It means that that paper just focuses on design and modeling, some paper just focuses on the control strategies. Then operation analysis, few papers were on operation analysis, planning studies, and protection designs and coordination issues. So I will just show you that paper. Just let me present that paper. So I will show you the answer because you could not find out that answer. So let me share, because again I have to change my sharing. So Sagar, you also got it answer or no? Second question, whether you got it or no?
No,
No. Can you see the paper? Can you see paper?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, okay, just minute. So this was just for knowing you how papers are written, and just a review paper. So review paper also you can start thinking of, because 2 papers will be required for your project submission. So this is paper series compensation of transmission system, a literature survey, which is very easy to write. Just you have to carry out survey of the literature done, and just you can put up it. So it will be helpful for new researchers. It will be at a glance how many papers are there, what are the references, and based on what criterions they are. So abstract and keywords are we have to write down. Then introduction, so you can just see. So these are also shunt and series, so this will be also useful for your preparation. So see here, immediately scanning means just we have to look it for the year, or just it I said it is introduction part. So first are 2 pages. So this is the answer of first question. Now just see, just we can scan, we have to see classification how papers are. So taxonomy methodology, okay, suppose if you are not knowing what is taxonomy, just see whether paper classification is seen or no. Okay, this is there, but these are not criterion, these are category. So I use word criterion, not a category. So this also you can just do the scanning very fast. How many papers are there from these journals, from these journals? These are general wise classification, and this is category wise, means shunt compensation, series, or what types. But I ask you the criterion, okay? So you can just see here, it is also not seen. This is also graph time evolution. So now see here, category. So category, then control, design model, operation, planning. But here word use is criterions. See, finally this outlook just closes with a review of research focus of different publications grouped by the following criteria. So just author has said this is criteria, and suppose if you will not go minutely in the text, this also gives you the classification of the papers. So only 2 classification are given, that was based on paper, and I you ask you the criterion. So you can just see these are the criterion, these are the criterion, these are the categories again, but these are criterion: control, design model, operation, planning, protection, stability, installation, and total, right? So this is how you have to just go through the scanning process, not paper or book, whatever it is there. Within short time of span you can just find out required information. So that is one of the technique. Now you will also come to know what is mean by paper and how paper can be structured. So that way we will just learn it. So I hope that you have understood